Hello, welcome to Mushabbar from the capital of Sweden, Stockholm. I was not able to publish videos in the past few days because I am pretty busy on certain things. Some I can tell you and some I can't. Anyway, maybe you already know if you have watched my previous videos that I have bought a new apartment, new construction, and I was busy with respect to that, so all my free time is now fully booked in managing that apartment. And basically there are two things ongoing. One is called in Sweden Besiktning, it's inspection. So whenever you are going to buy a new apartment or new construction, normally there is an inspection done by an independent neutral body. It is some kind of audit that they do to make sure that everything is okay. So I was busy in that, and normally they do these kind of inspections at 3 times. When the new construction is ready, then there are multiple inspections ongoing for electricity, for water, for infrastructure, for interior design and so on. But also there will be another inspection after 2 years and after 5 years, and those inspections will focus on infrastructure part. I think I will make a separate video to cover that. But I am also busy in some kind of construction work in the basement. With respect to the new apartment, we have also a storage in the basement, and I was thinking before that area will be fully occupied by people, I should construct some shelves in the basement. So I am busy with that, with some woodwork, and I am right now here to buy some kind of paint that can work both on wood and concrete from Jula. Here there are a lot of shops from where you can buy construction material. One of them is Jula, and I think you can buy all kind of paint from this shop. But there are also other shops here, for example Big Max, Bauhaus, Bahnhus. There are a lot of mega stores here from where you can buy the construction material. Let's see in the basement how much construction work I can show you. So here you can see wall filler and wall paint, but this is a ceiling paint. Probably this thing we need to buy. Probably we need to buy this one. This is a concrete paint for outdoor use. Now the basement is indoor, there is a heating and everything there, but probably still outdoor is better, but I have no idea. And this is concrete. I also need to use the same paint on wood. Because it is a basement, I don't want to do complicated work. I want to be simple. So finally I think this is good enough for our purpose in the storage. And here you can read that it can be used on all kind of surfaces. And I am not a professional in this one, and I can do experiment in storage with this one. So we are done. We have chosen what we need to buy. We have also bought this one because this is useful in the garden, and we need one in the new apartment. So this is the storage area, and this is a handicap accessible storage area. As you can see here, it's not a lot of storage area. They have allocated storage area based on the apartment size, and we have the biggest apartment size. There were only 7 or 8 apartments of that size, but still it's not big much. But at the end we have this is our storage area. So here I am putting some shelves. As you can see here, I started this work about 2 days ago, and I want also to paint. This is, by the way, outdoor wood, and it can survive water and snow and so on, but this is indoor environment. But I have taken away this stuff. If you see, they have put this on the floor, but I was suspecting it will be dirt, and when I took away it was dirt. So it's good that we took away. So now it's neat and clean. We have done vacuum, but I want to do some paint. As you see, in Sweden, I think when they are constructing concrete structures, they manufacture these concrete walls and roofs or floors in the factory, and they just assemble here. So I see there is a gap. So I want to fill that gap with the paint, and also I will put paint on the wood so that it looks like same, more white. So here I was busy for last 2 days. It is not a big storage, but if you want to do something in the storage, then it takes time. This is my masterpiece of woodwork. I have several machines to do the woodwork. I recently constructed a big deck in my other house. So I have several of woodwork machines, even here you can see. But the one that I just showed you, this one is a masterpiece, most important machine. Maybe in Sweden, everyone who has a big house needs this one, but you have to be careful. Initial work we have almost done, completed. This is how it looks like. You can see the shelves, and we have already applied painting. Yeah. And now we are waiting to dry it, and then we will come back. And for this work, the most help we got from this machine. If you like this video, please share this video to the whole world.